Okay, time to take a look at the Szoon grease coupler. So there it is. You can see you got a standard fitting on the back, so that will just thread right onto the grease gun. Got a coupler on the top, a couple handles, and when you squeeze these, that coupler opens up. So you can fit your grease zerk in there. When you let up, it will lock down. Yeah, it's supposed to like engage so you don't have to hold it there. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Wonder if, yeah. Yeah, usually if I angle this thing a little bit, it'll just be spurting. Yeah, yeah, it just moves grease anywhere but where you want it. But yeah, and this would be really good if you're using one of those pumps where you got to pump it like that, because then you got both hands on here. You don't have to worry about this at all. So yeah, that thing's pretty cool.